Why do you have my book? Give me my book back. I need my book. Stop it. Stop what? Oh, my bow's messed up. You messed up my bow.
Yeah.
My pants are coming down. I'll pull them up. Ooh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Have
you done this book?
read that book?
Yeah.
What book is that?
Hey, book, come on.
Really? Oh my gosh! Why do people talk about that? That's so gross.
Hey, Big Brother Hugger.
Yeah, I think that's so amazing. I mean, just the pictures and all of that kind of stuff. I think that's so amazing. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. Ew. I saw it on myself. You know, I saw it